Hello everybody, QuadStrike 325 here, and Happy New Year! The new year of Bay reviews. We got a lot more good stuff coming up this year, so be prepared for everything that's gonna happen this year. So, I'm gonna show you off what I bought today. Finally, Beyblade Burst QuadStrike regular stadium has just came out of the new year. Last week I went to a convention, went to stores, didn't see anything yet, but today, seen these now. That's not the main feature. We're going to do test spins in here. That's going to be used later. Yeah, this thing is a purple stadium. The main event is this. The Beyblade Burst QuadStrike Thunder Edge Battle Set. That comes with Divine Bellfire and Lightning Pandora. Yay! Newer ones finally. A stamina type and attack obs for Bellfire. You can see the stadium in the back, 2 launchers, how they look. And without further ado, I'll tell more about the features on the side once I get things situated. Now let's unbox this. Oh. Simple box. The stadium, and look at it's almost a hypersphere stadium, almost. Sheesh. It has those has 2 ports here, there, and a dome a little bit. They're domed slightly. Compared to this one, it's almost like that, but not really. Now we open this. That has everything. Here's the instructions. This is Pandora. Bellfire. 2 discs. The feet for the stadium. The 2 launchers, which I'm not going to be using. These cords are fine. Like I said before, I'm not going to use these launchers at all. So no thanks for that. So. Out of the way. Let me put the feet in. Go. I got installed the first leg. The second one in. Installed the second to the final one. Here we go. Here we go. I'm not installing the top piece of the stadium. That's a tradition of mine, except if it needed it. Which apparently it doesn't. Alright, let's take a look at Bellfire, shall we? Less detail. My goodness. Well, you got the main point on here. Let's look at it together with the Takatomi release. Less detail, more detail. This is phenomenal. This is so much better on this side. Got the QR code. Here we go. We got the shot disc. Why shot? You could have given it another Nexus. I wouldn't mind another Nexus at all. Why shot? Next, we got Venture. This is supposed to be Adventure. I wasn't too sure because this doesn't look like rubber to me. This red piece is plastic. But this one would take the adventure tip off. You get guard or something like that. Yeah, it's guard. All right, let's combine these. Oh wow! This one's a tight fit. Really secure. Next up is the anticipated Lightning Pandora. Anime exclusive for this, so no Takatomi of this. The design is something. Lightning, similar to another Bay that was previously released, which is Orichalcum. This is a modified 7 armor. Here's the code. Here we got the disc. Does this look similar to you? This is slightly what it would look like. But if you want to be almost technical with it, here it is something. Alright, we don't know what the disc is. It's TQ. So let's look at this. This is a stamina tip. Take this off. This is Fusion. Fusion is a meh driver or outdated. Could use something better, but here we got this tip. To look at the the Chain Poseidon tip, it's totally different. They both have the same sharp tip on top, but it's different. Don't know how it would react, how it would play on the field. No high modes this year, so with this review, I'll leave it up to Zanky because he already reviewed this one, so go check it out if you want to see him in high mode. Alright, let's go and see. This is another beast of a story, so let's look at the tiny one for the testing. Alright. Let me put back the Takatomi one, since that's so much better. Aha! Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, this thing has no burst stopper in it, so that's not going to be that good. So let's... This is testing, by the way. Alright. Okay, Lightning Pandora. For this instance, I'm gonna have to use this one because Quadra is the character that uses a ripcord. And it's this one in particular, but large. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Yeah, like a stamina should have been. nice. Okay, let's go with the Thunder Edge Stadium itself. With this one, let's do a testing here with this one, with Divine. It's like Hyper Speed, but with QuadStrike and QuadDrive implements in there, so man, it doesn't last long. Go with this one. Okay. Do not grab it when it's spinning. Alright. Real match this time. 3, 2, 1, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it. Ooh, Divine. Why? Okay. Let's see Cabeas in the stadium. So here we go versus Belial. Ooh. That. It's first Cabeas out of this picture. Alright, Pandora versus Poseidon. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Poseidon, oh my goodness. Look at you go. But wheels you out. Okay, next we got Belial. Excalibur / Excalius. Here we go. Boys. Bellfire didn't stand a chance. Next up with Lightning Pandora's opponent, we got Dragon. Let's do this. Ooh. Dragon scored a point. Lightning first loss on the stadium. Okay, that is perfecto. Got a few more. Bellfire versus Achilles. So let me get it situated. Right, here we go. Bellfire won finally. Okay. How about one more fight between this one and Pandora once again? So, here we go. Alright. Final thoughts. Is this set good? Yeah. Performs terribly. Slightly good. Points are fine as they are. Go get it right now. See you guys later.